welcome to Figma Quick Bite series, short actionable tutorials to master Figma fast. In this first video, we're creating a frame for a home screen. Let's get started. So what's a frame? Think of it as your design's canvas. If you're making a phone app, the frame's your screen. If it's a website, it's your web page. It's not just some random box. It's where your design lives and stays organized. Alright, here's how you start. Grab the frame tool, use the shortcut F or click the hashtag like icon in the bottom toolbar. Now you can click and drag the canvas to make a custom frame. But here's the cooler way. Let's delete this frame. Look in the right sidebar under design. See the frame presets. Pick something like, let's say, iPhone 16. And boom, instant frame size for you. Next, let's keep it organized. Over here in the layers panel on the left, find your frame. Here, it's called iPhone 16 1. To rename it, double-click the name or press Command R on Mac or Control R on Windows and write something like home screen. It just takes 2 seconds, and when your project gets busy, you'll thank yourself. Let's take a quick look at the frame settings. Over here in the right panel, under Design, we've got the layout settings. Don't worry, we'll dive into auto layout in future videos. But for now, check out the width and height of the frame. See the little like icon? If I turn it on and grab a corner of the frame, then click and drag, it resizes proportionally. But if I turn it off and try to resize, watch what happens. I need to hold the Shift key to keep it proportional. The other thing here is clip content. We'll cover it in just a minute. Next up is appearance. Here you can adjust the frame's opacity like this and tweak the corner radius. Then there's fill, where you can change the fill color or adjust the fill opacity. We'll explore the other fill options in upcoming tutorials. Okay, let's grab the ellipse tool and draw one, like this. I'm also going to add a polygon and a rectangle inside the frame. As you can see, part of my ellipse is sticking out of the frame. Over in the layers panel, I'll grab the ellipse layer, drag it inside the frame, and now the part outside is invisible. That's because of the clip content option, which is checked by default. If I select the frame and uncheck clip content, it pops back into the view. Now here's the big idea. Frames aren't just groups. If you select a few things and hit Command G or Control G on Windows, you're making a group. It's just a bundle of items. But frames are smarter. They define your design's boundaries and control what shows up. It might seem like a small difference now, but it makes sense later as you build more. And that's it, a simple frame in a snap. Next time we'll create a responsive button. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, elevate and create.